All right, quick little install on this solar drip system. Picked it up off Amazon for about 30 bucks. This is everything it comes with. It looks like you get some filters, 10 of these little drippers, some T connections, 20 feet of this irrigation tubing. There is a USB-C charger. I don't plan on using it. The main reason why I got it is it's a solar system. It probably has a little battery in here. And once your solar is good to go, your batteries are good, it should work by itself with no extra power source. Um, it does have an inlet outlet port. It looks like the bottom is going to be the inlet port. We'll hook that up to a 5-gallon bucket of water, and then the top port we'll hook it up to all of our drippers, and we'll see how it goes. All right, this is our setup here. Our little solar panel is south facing, so should get the best amount of sun. These screws here are just like 1/2 inch wood screws. They didn't come with the kit. You gotta get them yourself. All right. Pretty good. All right, here's our 5-gallon bucket. Gonna pop a little hole in here, fill it up with water, and this will be our inlet. And the port on the bottom of this little pump here is the, where is it? There we go. So we're gonna hook up to this one, and it looks like it just compresses in there, and that's it. Alright. Cut a little bit of this just to keep it in here. That should be good enough. All right. Quarter-inch bit. Pop a little hole in here. There we go. It does show you got to attach this little filter to the bottom of your inlet. Just drop that in there. All right, hose is on. Fill it up here. All right, temporarily just spike the little drippers in there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and then 5 over there. So we'll start making these connections here. I'm going to start by connecting the outlet port on the top one. And try to get a good angle here. All right. little T connection somewhere right there. All right, first one's done. And the second one. Alright, this is the main screen, but I was kind of getting worried because nothing turns on. But in the back of the solar panel, there's a little button here. So we're going to push that and see if anything works. There we go. There we go. Hold the M button down. See if we get some water. There we go. It works.